Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the JBL Live Pro 2 and unpairing them so you don't trigger sounds while cleaning. Once done, remove silicone tips and set them aside on a towel. This prevents loss and cross-contamination. Use a soft brush to dislodge loose debris from speaker grills, then use a toothpick gently at an angle to lift trapped wax. Make sure to use isopropyl for later. Don't soak drivers, so you protect electronics while removing grime. Now you perform the deeper clean. Dip a lint-free cloth in isopropyl and wring until nearly dry, then wipe outer surfaces and charging contacts. This removes oils and disinfects. Once done, brush the mesh again, and if available, use short bursts of low-pressure compressed air to clear stubborn particles. Never insert liquids into the grill. Meanwhile, wash silicone tips in warm soapy water, rinse, and air dry completely. Make sure everything is fully dry before putting tips back and recharging the case. Finally, reassemble the earbuds and test them at low volume to confirm sound clarity. This tells you if residue remains. If audio stays muffled, repeat the mesh and brush steps and inspect for torn or misaligned mesh that may need replacement. Make sure charging contacts are clean, use an alcohol swab on the case pins, and reseat the earbuds. If one bud still won't charge, try a different cable and power source. If problems persist, contact JBL support for service options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.